how to change Spotify profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you change Spotify profile picture. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open the application Spotify on your device. Alright, after you open Spotify with your account, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Alright, so from the section, tap on your profile icon again. Alright, after you come on your profile section, tap on the option edit here. Okay, so from the edit profile section, tap on the pencil icon just add of your profile picture. Okay, so from the change profile photo, you can easily choose the options like take a photo, choose from your library. So simply you can choose any one this option. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to just select the picture whom you want to add as a profile picture on your Spotify. So in my case, I will choose something random picture like this. Alright, after you choose it, you'll got such interface. So from here, tap on the option choose, just at the bottom right. Okay, so by tapping on that option, you can easily change your profile picture from Spotify. So from here, tap on the option save, just at the top right. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully changed my Spotify profile picture. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.